Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alpha. In this channel we are helping friends to learn to develop Android Studio. So please, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and download my application below to get more lessons about how to develop Android Studio. And the source codes are provided on the application, so you can download the source codes direct from the application. So on the last video we successfully installed the Android Studio and the development kit. So now you are creating a new application, a new project. So you come to create a new project. So now it's very important to choose an empty app, because if you choose others, then this will be too complicated. So you choose an empty one, an empty activity, then you click next. So now this is the name of your application. So we'll say dev lessons. So we'll say dev lessons. So as you see, this is the name of our application, is dev lessons. Then this is the package name of your application. So for this dev lessons, I can say .com lessons or .com dev lessons. It's very simple. Then now this is the location. So you must change the location of your projects and save it to backup disk if you separated your hard drives. So for example, you click here, right? This is right. So then in this, as you see, this is a drive E, is my partition of my drive. So I recommend to use the E drive as a backup drive. Because you come to drive, then you must create a new folder. Then if you create a new folder, then we write this as a, then say right. I want to show you something. As you see, it says the package location cannot be a file system root. Okay, so if I select this folder that we created recently, then it says the project location should not contain a white space. Why? It's because there is this space in between dev and L, so it's a white space. So this is not recommended. So let's so for example, let me as you see, this is the folder that we created. Then we remove the white space in between. Then we come back. Right, inside this file you can add your folder. Then we say dev, then we say dev lessons. Right, so now we want our project to be to be inside this dev lessons with small letters. So I'll click OK. As you see, right from there you choose your language, on which in this tutorial we are using a Java language. Okay, so and then minimum SDK, you choose your minimum SDK for, so you can choose where your Android starts, and so I'll choose from Android 5.1. so my application will be used by anyone using Android version 5 and upwards, which means it's a Ep02 and the SDK of 33. So I will install. I will finish this to create a new project. Then make sure your computer is connected to the internet so that you will download SDK and other required files for your project. Right now our application is ready. I paused the video so that I will download all the required files, so it takes time, so it depends on your network speed. So now our project is now ready, so I will show you other things, very important things. You must back up your SDK and currently, so that you not keep on downloading currently if you flash or if you reset your machine. So you must back up and keep it on your backup drive, a separated drive on your machine. So right, as you see, this is our package name of our application. This is a Java site where we program, and this is a main XML file. It's where we design. As you see, it's only have a hello world. text. So I will show you how to back up this Cranly and SDK. So you navigate to Cranly, then you come to settings. As you see, this is where my Cranly is located. So you only copy from the slash and backwards. So you press Ctrl and C. Then you just leave the dot and Cranly aside. Then I will come to my files. Then I will paste on my file links. Then I press enter. As you see, it's end up with slash. Then I will press enter. As you see, the Cranly has been opened where my Cranly is located. So Cranly is helping our project, syncing our project and other items, and other things. So now, after you've done this, then you must come to your drive C. Then you create a folder. Then you just rename any. For myself, I just renamed as Android. If I open Android, you'll see this is it's a Cranly. Then if I open it, then you see this is the file that is inside. So if I come back here, as you see, it's .cranly, on which is the same as this one. Right, so let me show you how to back up in SDK. So close this. Then we come to these files. Then go to project structures. As you see, at first there is a project, then SDK location. Then you must set up this SDK. So I will copy from this slash and backwards Ctrl+C. Then I will paste. Then I'll press enter. As you see, this is the SDK. Then I'll go direct to my backup drive. Then I open my Android Studio. As you see, this is the SDK that I'm using. If I open this is the SDK tools that I'm using. So you must back up this file. Okay, then this is a JDK location of our project. So you just we created this platform, we created this folder already on our first episode 1 of our video. So you just click here, then you navigate to C drive, then you select home, then you just click OK. I think I'm done about that. Right, so now our project is ready. This is our first application. So what you need to do, you need to install drivers of your phone. If you're using a phone, almost we are using phone. If you don't have enough Wi-Fi, so you need to use your mobile phone for testing. As you see, it says no device. So you need to install DP drivers. You just simply research online and download and install DP drivers, all drivers of your mobile phone. Then on your mobile phone, you go to settings. Once you go to settings, then you go to systems and about. Then you navigate to build. Okay, then you tap on a build number. If you own about phone, then you look for build number, then you tap it about 4 to 3 times, then you enable your developer option. So I'm using I'm using a mobile phone to test for my application. So let me test my app, then and see. So I'll connect my device. I'm using a simple phone for testing. Then I will allow USB debug to connect. So let's wait for the device to appear. So now let's run and see if there's any error about our project on our project. So you click this run button. So you click, just click build to see if there is any error. Okay, while waiting our project, let me show you. Right, as you see, these are the files of our project. On this .com lessons, as you see, there is a main Java, main activity. It's where we'll keep our Java side of our project. Then, if we come to res, as you see, there's a different folders. On this drawable, it's where we'll keep our icons, our images, and other stuff. Then, if we come to layout, it's where we keep our layout of our main activity and designs. Then, if we come to values, these are colors. So as you see, these are the different colors of our project. So it's where you can create your color. So then this is a string. On a string is where we keep our string settings. Okay, as you see, our first application has been successfully installed. So let me show you. It has been successfully. It's only take 3 minutes to complete. Our application has been successfully installed on a device. So this was our first application. So in this application, we'll teach you how to upload images, how to download images, and other stuff we'll be adding on this app. So please continue watching, keep on watching, watch the third video of our application. Follow me on my app for more lessons. You'll find different lessons, source codes, and the other stuff. It's a free course of series. You don't pay anything. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share my video.